Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel again. Kaway-kaway sa ginising ng Panginoon ngayong umaga. Thank you Lord. Sa mga hapon sa magdamag. Thank you very much. Happy Friday! Now, come to my channel. Hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng channel ko, please subscribe my channel and click the tiny bell para laging subscribe sa aking video. Ngayon guys, we make mukbang breakfast. Okay guys, tell me what is your favorite meal? For me, my favorite meal is breakfast because breakfast is light. Okay guys, for you, for me. My madam last night make cake, lemon cake. I cut one. I take one for me. I eat now. Okay. Bismillah. Then this is my food. I have 2 sandwich. Brown is for diet. Then one fish. Guys, come, you make your own breakfast and join me to eat. Guys, the chicken very noisy. Now we hit this one. Okay. I have mayonnaise. I make already coffee with boiling milk and I put fresh ginger. Every day I make this one. Hot. Okay guys, come and join us for my breakfast, mukbang breakfast. What is your favorite meal every day? For me is breakfast because breakfast is life. Okay guys? I have lemon cake. I think it's already good. I have brown sandwich with cheese. Okay. For you, for me. Okay guys. Happy Friday everyone. Lalong-lalo na dito sa Middle East. Ingat-ingat pa rin tayo, lalong dumadami yung mga biktima ng coronavirus. Sabi ng amo ko, dito sa amin, mayroon na rin sa Cornes. Pangatlong mula dito sa block namin, pangatlong block daw. Mayroon na raw. Pero sabi niya, hindi naman daw kinuha ng pulis. Siguro, sakit lang yun siguro. O siyan ba? Sabi niya. Okay guys, make your own breakfast and we eat together. Ang alaga kong manok may sakit, kawawa naman. Nagtigak. Ganun na lang siya. Yung mga balahibo niya tumatayo. Kawawa naman. Guys, this is lemon cake. Tapos nilagyan kaya ito niya ng lemon nga. Nag-slice siya ng lemon. Ganito. Slice siya ng lemon. Nagtunaw siya ng asukal sa kawali. Piniprito niya to. At dinidekorasyon sa ibabaw. Ganyan. Ang sarap naman. Asim na matamis. Okay guys, thanks for watching for my mukbang breakfast. Happy Friday everyone. Before we end this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the button, like and comment. What is your favorite breakfast? Tell me, I'll show you and I make you a tutorial breakfast. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Happy Friday everyone. Take care. Wash hand before everything and wash hand after everything. Okay guys, bye. Bye-bye.